few words. First of all, I want to congratulate Salam Microfinance Bank for this official opening of their branch. I was the one who prepared the list with the language. So today I'm happy that it has come to fruition. Secondly, I also want to thank the management of Salam Microfinance Bank for considering Mombasa as their second home. The first home I know is Nairobi, where we have 3 branches now. And this is the 4th branch. This shows the confidence you have in Mombasa County as a business destination. As you are all aware, all the banks and the insurance companies started from Mombasa because of the port business. This is the historical part, that this is where the business of banking, the business of insurance started a long time ago. So we are happy that you consider Mombasa to be your destination in terms of opening the 4th branch in our country.